Hi, sweet friends, welcome back. Today we're jumping straight into today's video. I'm excited to have you over and invite you into our home for our summer 2024 home tour. I'll be sharing a couple of our outdoor areas that we've been enjoying all summer long, like our front porch and our back deck space. Once inside, I'll give you a tour of our first floor main living areas. Now, some of these areas we decorated together, while a couple other spaces you'll be seeing for the first time and how I decorated them for summer. I've also made a few changes since we've last decorated the spaces together, so you'll have to see if you can spot those. As always, I hope you enjoy watching and visiting our home. If you do and find it helpful in any way, I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, if you enjoy all things home. From seeing seasonal decorating ideas to shopping for all those home decor finds throughout some of our favorite stores. I'd love to have you back. So, without further ado, let's continue with the rest of this year's Summer 2024 home tour.
Song you sing as you wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I'll wake up with your grace while the moonlight's still fading away. I see your mercy coming with the day. Oh, yeah. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. This song is from the heart. Love, have your way. In the easy and easy. Lord, make me more like you. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. Yeah. You give me air to breathe, and you cover me under your wings. You hear my voice, and you know my every need. Oh, you see my hopes and dreams, but you have in store far better things. My future comes alive when you're leading me. Oh, my prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. This song is from the heart. Yeah. Love, have your way. In the easy and the crazy. Love, make me more like you. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. Take my heart and take my soul. Take it all and take control. Take my life and all I am. Shape me in your mighty hand. Take my heart and take my soul. Take it all and take control. Take my life and all I am. Shape me in your mighty hand. My prayer is simple, God. Yeah. Have your way. This song is from the heart. Yeah. Love, have your way. In the easy and easy. Love, make me like you. My prayer is simple, God. Yeah. Love, have your way. Take my heart and take my soul. Yeah. Take it all. Love, have your way. Take my life and all I am. Yeah. Shape me in your mighty way. Take my heart and take my soul. Take it all and take control. Take my life and all I am. Shape me in your mighty hand. the anthem rise up, let the song ring out, let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout.
All right, sweet friends, as we begin to wrap up today's home tour for summer 2024, I hope you have enjoyed the visit to our home. These are some of my favorite videos to film. I love looking back from year to year, seeing all the changes, and how my style has changed throughout the years. I'll go ahead and leave my entire home tour playlist linked here at the end of today's video so you can continue watching, get more inspiration, and check out how I've decorated in the past. As we end our time together, I always love to go to God's Word and share with you a daily Bible verse. Today I'll be reading from Psalm 62, verses 1 and 2. Truly my soul finds rest in God, my salvation comes from Him. Truly, He is my rock and my salvation. He is my fortress. I will never be shaken. I thank you all so much for watching. From now on, we're going to be switching gears from summer to pretty much all things fall, which is my absolute favorite season. And as you probably already know, we love to go all out for it as well as for Christmas. So I hope that you are as excited as me and ready to jump straight in. We'll be doing some more fall decor shopping, and then we'll get straight into my fall 2024 decorating series. I just can't wait. So until next time, enjoy the rest of your summer, and I will see you real soon. Take care and God bless, friends. Bye.